Diane almost passed on this house entirely. A 1990s brick Colonial in Ohio, it had the right bones but not much personality. It wasn't a salt box, it wasn't a cape, nothing that caught her eye at first glance. But it ticked a few boxes that they did like about it. Diane could see past the surface, and what she and her husband Mike built from there is a lesson in exactly that. Don't judge a house by its cover. Diane found lots of inspiration on social media and in decorating groups for colonial and primitive style. Those friendships and ideas helped her shape a look that felt truly her own. Diane calls her style high country. She loves the formal look of light walls, painted woodwork, and stencil trim along the ceiling. It's the perfect backdrop for her collections, primitive painted wood pieces, antique treasures, and historical textiles gathered from antique shops and online over the years. Diane's love of the stencil work continues. A delicate border pattern wraps the room, paired with the charm of colonial paneling and symmetry. She stained and painted her dining table and added black painted ladder-back chairs to make it feel more historical. Corner covers house her collections of pewter and redware. The kitchen was one of Diane's biggest renovation projects. She reconfigured the layout herself and hand-painted the cupboards, adding another wonderful stencil with pops of red to complement her island and other furniture. The corner hanging cabinet became a wonderful focal point with open shelves to showcase more of her country collections. And she even added a little stool behind the sink, the perfect spot for a vase of flowers in front of the window. same layered, painted look, but it's also where Diane sums up her whole approach best. You don't have to be an antique dealer or a decorator, she says. There is so much you can do with paint. Diane's advice for anyone starting their own decorating journey is simple. Follow your heart. It will lead you to the style that is perfect for you. What started as a blank canvas became a home full of character, proof that with enough vision, paint, and heart, anything is possible.